Now it's started, sorry. Today,
you're going to see the first ever dog play football. She might look like not much, but she's something. You're going to play football, ready? Just watch this. She is on it like no tomorrow. Ah! Yeah, I got it out, finally. Fly one. I think that's a fly one, mister. She actually jumps for it when you throw it. Just watch this. She's so cool. She's even chested it. Mate, she can match all my stuff. What am I going to do? How do I beat her? She's also the first fighting dog. Ah! Ooh, ooh, ooh. See what I mean? Right now my ear is being bitten. She goes hyper. I know how to catch her out.
so stop it.
Oh, Betsy!
I can see ya.
There we go. There's that cheeky dog. But anyway, I want to thank you so much, Betsy, who is currently ruining the garden, for joining us this episode. So, come here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll give you a nice treat later and a tummy rub. Once again, thank you to Grandad for filming, and we'll see you next time. Let's do that.